Good morning, my MVP family. Good morning, my powerful MVP family, my new subscribers. Thank you. Good morning, good morning. This morning, last night, yesterday, I was walking down in the evening and I just felt something in my right knee that doesn't feel good. And, but I pushed through. As I walked out, I saw those beautiful birds as they just flew up in formation and then they were on the grass and then they sit in the tree for a moment. I had to share it with you guys. And as I continued to walk out, my knee hurt, but I pushed through. And then I see the beautiful sunset. And I said, I just kept the camera going so you could share. It's a fall evening. It's a little brisker. Last night we had rain, so outside it's raining now. It's not raining, but it's nice and wet out there. And I got home and yesterday morning was rough. I have a couple of kids, three kids in the first in my homeroom who, no matter how much love you extend, no matter what it is, they come in and each day is the same thing. There's no new day. It's just the same thing. And again, you see the developmental stage, and the hormones are just killing them like they can't handle it. And so they're just over the top of everything. The cussing, the noise, the one can do some work, but the other two need a lot of support. But one follows the other and the others. But so I was kind of with the pain in the knee, like I said, I don't know. But you know what? This morning I woke up, I got, even though they're redundant, they're generic, they're not words that somebody create, but they read them and think that that would be beneficial to you as well. Good morning. And so she sent it to me and I got up. I was up at 6 and I read it. And then I just said, Lord, you know what? I'm not going to call out. I'm going to come in. Because there are so many more kids who need me than the kids who are pushing back. And even those who are pushing back, they do need me here because somebody else comes in, then everybody struggles because the interesting kids dominate and nothing gets done. So I said, you know what, let me come in. After I read her note, I said, let me come in. So I'm here today, guys, and whatever you're going through, please, remember that with God and with practicing your faith, believing that He will make all things, He'll make them right. They might not be the right we're looking for, but He will make them right for us. So let's go forth in faith. Let us go forth with a thankful heart. Let us go forth understanding that the little things, as I said, money is not the only way people show love and care. Little words of kindness go a long way too. So go out there, get up, dance, get up and walk. Right now it's a good time for me to walk because of it's not hot. And so it might be a little crisp, a little wind sometimes, but it's a good thing. So just go out, guys, and do what you need to do. And know that if you show love, hopefully you will get love in return. There are times we show love and people are still ungrateful and unthankful and still find it necessary to quickly be themselves. When you're doing kindness, people, oh yeah, thank you so much. Oh, I so appreciate you. Oh. But then if you slow down and you stop, then those words disappear quickly. But you have to just know that that's how people are, and once you understand it, then it doesn't matter. The only thing I say, don't put people down. That hurts. So no matter what it is that you think you're doing, don't put people down because words have power. Words can hurt. They used to say sticks and stones break the bones, but words do hurt. So let us, just go forth, speak kind words, speak sweet words, because it's easier to manage. If you can't be good, be careful, but walk good, do good, live good. Don't forget that you should keep your hands in the hand of the man that stills the waters and calms the seas. He will open doors for you. Bye.